Thank you. And I want to thank everybody for staying the whole night. I mean, this was a long night. First of all, my name is Efrain Valdez. I'm a former educator for 35 years and a coach. I also was in the city council for 4 years, and 4 years as a mayor, 2 terms. But the biggest distinction that I ever got was I became the chairman of the Board of Coalition that represented all the board of mayors from El Paso all the way to Brownsville. And one of the things that taught me, all these issues taught me, was teamwork. Without the team, you cannot succeed. As a coach, I would emphasize that. As a mayor, I would emphasize that. And as a judge, I will emphasize that. One of the biggest things that we did, being a team, is we convinced the federal government to do away with passports crossing here in Acuña and all the Texas border crossings. We actually influenced them to pass the pass card, which cost only $45 compared to $100 per passport. That is a big achievement for mayors because our economy depends on Acuña and Acuña depends on us. That is one of the biggest things. The last thing that I want to say is that we, the city, defended an $88 million lawsuit on encroachment of Laughlin Air Force Base. We took it to every level, all the way to the Texas Supreme Court, and won in every level. Now, what that does is that it protects us from encroachment at the base, because the base contributes no less than 35% to our economy. Those are the qualities that I bring, and it was not done by myself. It was done, as I said, as a coach with team effort. We had good lawyers, we had good council people, we had good mayors that influenced me. And from a tiny town of Del Rio to represent all the border mayors from El Paso to Brownsville, I think that's a great honor. Thank you very much. First priority would be to form a water conservative district. Because right now, we're behind an 8 ball. The state already has funds for any city to buy our water. So we need to get on the ball and start developing a water conservation district. To protect our water resources, we are the golden goose. Everybody wants our golden egg. We sit in on precious water and everybody wants it. We need to protect it. The second thing we need to do is we only have one step to attract businesses. We only have warehouses. We need 2 other things. We need a 4-lane highway going to a metropolitan area, and we need a spur to transfer all the things that we manufacture here. So we need to work with Union Pacific. If we don't work with Union Pacific, we can't deliver the goods. We lost the Modelo contract to Eagle Pass. Why? Because we did not have refrigerated freight. That is one important thing. The second thing we need to do is we need a 4-lane highway to San Antonio, Laredo, El Paso. 18-wheelers do not like to travel in 1- and 2-lane highways. They like to travel in 4-lane highways. So we only have one step. We have the warehouses, but we need 2 other steps. We need to develop that. And finally, we make sure that we don't approach the Pentagon one every 3 years and lobby for more missions to come to Laughlin Air Force Base. We need to do it on a daily basis. And by that I mean Laughlin Air Force Base is #1 in the world for World Training Command. Why? Because we have 320 days of good flying weather. We have also no encroachment. And finally, we have a rapport that is second to none. Now, why do we want to do this? Because in 2015, BRAC is going to do a realignment. And if we start lobbying right now, not only we protect our base, we attract missions from other bases to come to Del Rio. So therefore, Del Rio will grow. So we need those 3 things in order for us to accomplish things in Verde County. Thank you.